Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter. Behind me is a brand new 2026 Sea Ray SLX 310. We're gonna do a quick walkthrough video on this boat. We have powered it with twin 400 Mercury V10 outboard engines. It is colored in a full hull color of quantum blue. Really excited to jump in and show you all the luxuries that this boat has to offer. Starting back here on the transom of the SLX 310, we have a great sun pad up back here. Seat backs do pop up, so now you can have a rear facing seat as well when you guys are at the sandbar. We do have cup holders on either side and a Fusion stereo remote, so you don't have to leave the sun pad to change your music. Stepping in, you have a nice big storage locker right here. Our battery switch is conveniently located. As you walk in, you can turn those battery switches on, power up the boat, and a nice freshwater transom shower. What I really love about having an outboard engine boat is all the storage space underneath here really opens up, getting rid of those engines down below. So you have an automatic hatch button here that will lift this whole thing up. You've got your storage inside of there for tables and all of your other accessories down below. Moving forward, as we come in, we're greeted with a nice little summer kitchen here with storage, a freshwater sink, and then a trash can hidden down behind this door here. We do have access to our domestic refrigerator, so you have all of your snacks and drinks conveniently located right there. And we have a great entertaining space right here. So we've got a big L-shaped seating lounge, a massive table that goes right inside of here, and then another settee on this side. Underneath, we do have access to a little bit of storage, and we've got storage underneath the seating here. So completing our entertaining space here and our sun lounge back aft, we do have an automatic sunshade that at the push of a button will extend fully out, covering this entire space and really extending your platform, so that way you can be out on the water even on those really sunny days. So full lighting package, premium sound upgrade, and we have gone with the infinity woven carpeting in here. So it all unsnaps out to make really easy cleaning, and it also just gives the boat a little bit of an elevated look, and it's nice and soft on your feet. So coming forward here to our helm station, we do have a nice double helm seat here, so your captain and the co-captain both have a spot while you're cruising. This boat does have a full joystick piloting operation system, digital throttling, and we did the advanced electronics package, so you do have the dual SIMRAD display screens, so really giving you full control over your helm while you're out on the water. But moving forward here, going up to the front of the boat, we do have our nice wind door dam here. Now that is going to cover up the door to our electronic control panel. So this boat does have a full electric system on it, 120 volts, so powering your refrigerator, your 120 volt outlets, and all of your other electronics while you're out there. So moving forward to the bow here on the SLX 310, it is a massive U-shaped platform, giving you a great area to lounge out while you're underway. And then when you are anchored out, we do have a center table here, and then you also have the ability to put in a table on either side, really maximizing this space and using it for entertainment. So picture having a nice picnic up here for lunch or dinner while you're out on the water. Coming over to the side of the boat here, we do have a nice glove box, but on the SLX 310 you get a very spacious head. So we've got a freshwater sink down there, a great spot to change out of your swimwear and get into the clothes for dinner, or be able to use the bathroom and have a comfortable amount of space down there. You see we do have another large seat over here that's big enough for 2 people. Now the trick with this is it does swivel, so giving you the ability to increase the cockpit size, so that way you can have even more entertaining space. Everybody can be connected and feel a part of the conversation, really just maximizing this boat as an entertaining platform. So that's just a quick walkthrough of some of the features of this particular SLX 310. You can see this boat is a great entertaining platform for you and your family. Bring out another family, really take advantage of cruising as well as anchoring out and really maximizing your day out on the water. If you would like to see this boat in person and see all the great features that this boat has to offer, you can come down to MarineMax Jupiter and see this boat here. If you want to see other boats like it, we do have some other Sea Rays in stock as well. So come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron.